Okay, hi everyone, this is Shagun Tandon. So, for my first project, I have prepared this app called Anime Box. So, like anime culture is growing nowadays. So, here is Anya, which is one of the most popular characters in anime industry right now. So, I have decided to add two anime openings here. So first is from Tokyo Ghoul and the second will be from Death Note. So these are also very famous animes. So the basic idea that came to my mind to make this box is to increase the knowledge about anime amongst today's youngsters, as these anime are really knowledgeable and they have such a good stuff which can educate today's children also, and not even children. These have a great impact on the youth as well as adult people because they have a lot to show and lot to depict. So this is basically, this phase shows the history of anime. Like it's been years, like 1907. In 1907 the first anime came, so it's still going on and I think it will keep on going until people stop watching it, which will never happen actually. So this is one of the part of an entertainment box, you can see it like that. So there are a lot of concepts which can be depicted by using such a box. So here I also added, the song, we can listen to various songs, this soothe us, so it can, just fulfill the part of entertaining us. Lot of things can be done, it's just up to our imagination. Virtual reality and artificial augmented reality nowadays is a growing industry. So like, if I say that I'm new to this thing, and I felt so happy that I got a chance to make such projects. So I hope I can make a lot of better things. Here everything is getting augmented on this particular box, right? Just a paper box. So just imagine what more things can be done with just a small tool, right? So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like it, just put down in the comments. Thank you so much.